What is life? I know I'm being a bit philosophical here, but let's face it. This question actually fascinated the entire human race from so long and still remains as an unanswered one. But there are several characters which can be attributed to a living thing. So the first character is organization. I know what you're thinking. You're not well organized. That's probably the case. But our bodies are well organized. Even when we take a unicellular organism, you can see a complex organization of the cell itself. So the second character of a living organism is metabolism. Metabolism accounts for all chemical reactions which is happening inside the body of an organism. This includes anabolism as well as catabolism. Anabolism is the building a process, while catabolism is the breakdown process. The third character is homeostasis, where we maintain a kind of equilibrium. This can be a chemical or a physical equilibrium. For example, my body is having a temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. There's an acidic pH in my stomach, while it's basic in my mouth. So all these things are maintained in a systematic manner, and this is what is called homeostasis. And here is the fourth character, growth. We were once a single cell, the zygote. And now, as you can see, there are trillions of cells in our body. So growth can be of two types, increase in number as well as increase in size. In a unicellular organism, when the cell grows and then divides, it becomes two organisms. So, what is that called? That is called reproduction, the next character of every living thing. In the living organism, reproduction can be of a wide variety, which ranges from 20-minute long binary fission to nearly 22 months long gestation, which is seen in elephants. So the next character is sensitivity. All living organisms actually is sensitive towards its environment. This can be ranging from the phototropism in plants to your reaction when you see your favorite food. And there can be another character which is very important, and that is evolution. So evolution and natural selection is the main factor which led to this diversity which we see around us. I know what you're thinking right now. Some of these characters are shown by non-living organisms as well, right? Yeah. For example, organization. I know there are salt crystals or diamonds which are very well organized. Or a large stone can give rise to several small stones. So these are some characters shown by life, right? Yes. But all these characters together can only be seen in a living organism. And this leads us to viruses. They're like magicians. They're living for some time, and after some time they are dead. Wow. And after some time they come back to life. Yes, that's wonderful. How is that possible? But that's the topic for the next video. See you in the next one.